Make a great choice today with the 2009 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, rear wiper, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.